Hey guys, welcome to Graphic Heaven Designs. Today, I'm going to show you how to put vinyl stickers on a sublimation bottle after cutting the vinyl with a Cricut. It's very easy, so let's get started. First, after cutting your vinyl, you need to separate the names or designs carefully. Cut them apart one by one so they are easier to work with. Now, start peeling off the extra vinyl slowly. Take your time so you don't lift the letters or damage the design. Peel away all the waste vinyl until the design is clean. Next, take your transfer tape and place it on top of the vinyl design. Use a squeegee to press it down properly so the vinyl sticks nicely to the tape. Now peel the transfer tape slowly from the backing paper. Make sure the whole design comes up with the tape. Take your sublimation bottle and position the sticker where you want it. Once it's straight, press it down and use the squeegee again to help the vinyl stick properly to the bottle. Now peel off the transfer tape slowly. Don't rush. If any part lifts, press it down again with the squeegee and continue peeling slowly. And there we go. The vinyl is now perfectly stuck on the bottle. Very cute, right? Follow Graphic Heaven Designs for more printing, Cricut, and customization tips.